part two. Part two, tomatoes finally growing. Look at there. This is the first one I found. Got quite a few of them on this one here. Got a few of them over here. I got carrots coming down here. I don't see anything coming up yet with the carrots. The carrot thing, I don't see anything coming yet. So, but the, let me see, what is this here? Cauliflower. Let's see if I see any signs of cauliflower. No. Let me see. Possibly. Oh, I forgot to change shoes. God dog it. I think the cauliflower's coming up. I think this is it right here. Yeah, right there. Right here. Okay, so they coming. And this is the sweet potato plant, y'all. That's sweet potatoes. I don't know what's going to happen with that. Mustard greens coming. That's a mint, spearmint plant right there. And that's that one over there. Lavender. Look at the jalapeno peppers turning red. So yeah, it's gonna be a little while, but I'm patiently waiting as usual. Yeah, I got my septic system in. Yeah, I got two nice mounds of dirt. So somebody gonna be pushing a wheelbarrow, getting this dirt from over here and putting it over here in the other area. Well, I tell you, the work is never done. I mean, it's like never done. So, yeah, family, I want to share with you all my latest project. Now, the next project is going to be building my shed. I already have the shed inside the house for my water well. I thought that the water well was going to come and play with the septic system, but it didn't, you know. So now I can get the water well put in, the water well cover done, and I can get this pole here raised up. Yeah. So the pole has I have a solar panel, a huge solar light that's going to just really, it's going to really just lighten this back area up. And so the guy fixed me a little second outlet right there. Right here. The right spot, I can't see it from here, but right there. Okay, that's going to connect to my second building when I decide to get it, but it's not going to be this year because it's coming in the fall. I have to build the ground up over here before I do that project. So that project is going to be, Lord say the same, going to be, oh, it was over here too at the tractor, huh? Yeah, that project is going to be next year sometime for my second building. For the main living quarters, it's going to be next year. Because like I say, all that needs to be built up. That needs to be built up. And where all you see all of them yellow plants, all that's going to get burnt and cleaned out. And I'll be putting the second, mosquito something on the other side of that when I'm ready to do that. And yeah, family, I'm loving my little fall look. Yeah, I like it. It kind of ranks it up a little bit out here. All right, family, this is Neighbor Simple Me Journey. If you like my videos, please hit that like and subscribe button and share. Y'all make comments, and I think pretty soon I'm going to do a live video, and I'm going to start discussing the cost of things out here, one thing at a time. Now, I don't know why these plants, it looks terrible. Look here, y'all. I guess this plant must take a lot of water. I'm assuming this one here in the moms, because look at this. And it's dry. So these plant moms must take a lot of water. Well, let me turn this thing off and put the water in these moms. They love a lot of water. All right, fam, this is Neighbor Simple Me Journey, and it's about your journeys, family. Y'all please take your journey, enjoy your life. Y'all be blessed. Love you guys. Bye-bye. And thank you all for your positive comments and your support. And special thanks to Sherry. Thank you, big sister. Appreciate that. Love my bench. Bye-bye.